Today we're going to go over how to submit a support request at hanwhasecurity.com. First, log in to support.hanwhasecurity.com on your browser. From there, click Submit a Request. On the Submit a Request page, select the type of request you'll be doing from the drop-down menu. Here we're going to do a support submission. Enter your email address. Select the country you're located in. Select your state. Select your product from the drop-down menu. Enter your product model number, including hyphens. If you can, enter your product serial number. This will help to determine your warranty status. After that, enter your software or firmware version. This is important as it can easily help us determine if your product needs to be updated. If your product has been serviced in the past, click the checkbox and select the date of the last service. In the subject field, make sure your product number is entered along with a brief description of what's going on. In the description field, type as much information as you can to give our technicians a thorough understanding of your incident. Make sure to include things like device operating environment, recent changes to your network, information on how you are accessing your device, and if you are requesting support on a camera, please make sure to include the VMS or NVR you're using with that unit. If you would like to schedule a callback, check the box, enter your phone number, pick a callback date no less than 24 hours after submitting your request, and select your time window. Lastly, make sure to include all log files from your product, after which click Submit. You will see a notification in the upper right-hand window asking you to go to your email and validate your account. Once you validate your account, the ticket will be submitted. You can track your ticket status by logging into our support portal. You can also see historic ticket data and other tickets submitted by members of your organization.
To learn more about this and other exciting Hanwha products, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit us at hanwhasecurity.com.